Well, here we are back with our harvest update. It's day 10. We've moved off the Mayflower seed crops and we're back into another blend of milling wheat. This is just around the other side of the hill on the Kemerton estate. And we also have a different baler going today. This is some straw, local farmer Jack, who is using an old traditional little baler and a flat 8, which groups them up into 8 2 rows of 4, which can then be picked up with a JCB and a flat 8 grab. He's working along behind somewhere. Quite an ingenious bit of equipment. As technology's moved on, the original balers used to just chuck them out one at a time and then into 8 so that you can mechanise them a little bit more. That seems to be going really well. Very rhythmical noise to that one. Then we have the combine going along there, so we're literally just baling up directly behind the combine. It's nice and dry, the straw is pretty dead, it sort of hasn't really ripened, it's more sort of died really. Rain forecast for Sunday rather than Saturday now, so we're Friday evening and we'll get a good chunk of this field finished tonight, get the rest of the block done tomorrow, and then all being well we will get most of these baled up before rain arrives on Sunday. So yeah, lots going on. The big square baler finished this afternoon. We've carted half of what we need to from those fields as well today. So it's a busy day. But it's all going well. No idea on yield over here. The ground is a slightly heavier, higher clay content soil, so I'm hopeful that that would have held on to a bit more moisture and we'll have a higher yield, but time will tell once we get them into the trailers off the field over the weighbridge. We can work out exactly where we are with this. So yeah, we'll see how much we get done tonight and into tomorrow, and then it looks like we're going to have a bit of a weather break, so hopefully we'll be in a good position. One of the reasons for chopping some of the straw this early on is that if we do get a rain break, we don't have swaths of straw on the fields, which we then need to wait for them to dry. We can go and direct drill either cover crops or winter feed for the sheep. I'm going to put quite a lot of stubble turnips down this year. I think there could well be a market later on for livestock grazing, particularly sheep, to offset some of the lack of forage that we're seeing at this part of the season. Moisture's coming off really dry now. We're around 14%. We haven't actually had to dry anything yet this season, which is great, saving some money and offsetting some of the poorer yields in some parts of the farm. tune in tomorrow to see how we're getting on.